guys, today I'll be showing you how to apply LDS dipping color on new set. Again, we'll be using LDS EA bond, base coat, sealer dry, and top coat. For powder wise, I'll be using LDS base, a red color, and a sheer powder. Okay. So today we'll be applying a tip on her nail. So first I'm gonna go in and prepare her nail. I'm gonna start by pushing up her cuticle. Buffing her nail. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and apply a nail tip on her finger. I'm gonna put a dot of glue in the middle of her nails and go in with my tip. I'm gonna make sure I press down her nail so the tip stays nice and strong on her nail bed. Next, I'm gonna go in with my drill to make sure the line between her nails and the tip is nice and even. Now that's done, so I'm gonna go in and cut her tip to a desired length, just because I'm only doing a square round shape today. So I'm just gonna go and cut this to that length and then go in and reshape it. Okay, now that I have the shape that I want, we can go ahead and start put the EA bond on. And using my base coat, and we can start dipping. Now first I'm going to use the base powder. So because this is the fake tip putting on her real finger, so there is like a little divot in the middle here where the nail tip meet the nail bed. So to fill it in, I'm gonna go in and put in a thin line over that to fill it in like that, and dip it in my base. And now I'm gonna go in to go up to half of nails and start building my base. I'm gonna dust off some excess color. Okay. One more time. This time I'm gonna go up to 3/4 of the nails. Okay, dust off all the powder. Now that I have a nice base, I'm gonna go in with my color. First layer, I'm gonna go again with 3/4 of the nail right on top of my base. Again, make sure you dust off all the powder every time. If you don't, it's gonna be really thick. And one more time. This time I'm gonna go all the way up close to the cuticle, but again, we have to leave about 3 hairlines away. And again, you should wipe off the excess color on a piece of paper towel to get rid of the powder that's stuck on your brush. Okay, after 2 layers of color, I'm gonna dust off the rest of the powder. And now we're gonna go in with our shear. Here we go. Have to dust off all the excess powder, and then go in here with my Sealer Dry to let the powder set. Need a little more. Okay, so I'm gonna sit a little bit for my Sealer Dry to have a time to set in. Okay, now that my nail is nice and dry, the Sealer Dry set in, I'm gonna go back in and reshape her nail. Okay, once I got the shape I desire, I'll go back in with my drill. Again, you don't have to go too hard, just nice and light over the nails. And then go back in and buff it. Make sure it's nice and even. Dust off all the excess powder. And then again, one more time with my sealer dry. And again, we have to sit a little bit for our sealer dry to have a chance to dry. Okay, now that our sealer dry already set in and the nail is all nice and dry, we're gonna go back in with our top coat 2 times. First layer, I'm gonna do it fast. And then second layer, I'm gonna go back in and make sure I cover the whole entire nail nice and evenly. Okay, once the top coat dry, we're gonna go in and put some cuticle around her cuticle. Make sure it's nice and soft. And we are done. Thank you for watching, guys. See you guys next time.